Hi, I'm Maxine. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm here to show you what seeds I purchased and plan to grow for this growing season on my fire escape garden. I'm super excited to share what I purchased, so stay tuned if you'd like to see what I plan to grow this year. Okay, so all the seeds I purchased are from one company. They're called True Love Seeds. They're also known as @seedkeeping on Instagram, which I will link below. They're a small brand that I found on Instagram, and they have some really amazing values. I ordered some seeds from them last year and grew some things and had a lot of success, so I'm really excited to support this brand. I'm gonna read you a little bit of their about page to give you the vibe of the business and possibly convince you to support them as well. True Love Seeds is a farm-based seed company offering culturally important and open-pollinated vegetable, herb, and flower seeds. Our seeds are grown by more than 20 small-scale urban and rural farmers committed to community food sovereignty, cultural preservation, and sustainable agriculture. We share our profits directly with our growers. 50% of each packet sale goes back to the farmer who grew it. And you can meet the farmers on their website, and they have some really interesting varieties that you won't see at your typical like Home Depot or big box brand gardening department. So definitely check them out. I'm gonna link their website below as well as their Instagram, and let's see what seeds I got. Okay, so here are the seeds. This is how their packaging looks. They also sent me this really cute calendar from their branding. There's some like an about page, some beautiful pictures for each month. I'm excited to use this. I guess they send it complimentary if you spend over a certain amount. I ordered like 8 types of seeds, if that gives you an idea, and I spent like $35 total with shipping. Not bad at all. So the first seed I got is called Sicilian Rocket Arugula. The description says spicy, flavors of black pepper and citrus. Comes with 50 seeds. So on the back it tells you what farm this was grown from and a little description on the farmer as well. So this is from Winnatuxet Farm. This is so cool. I just feel like way more connected to the growing process with this information. So really excited for arugula. I used to not even like arugula, but I've come to like it within this past year, so I'm excited to grow it and eat it. The next one I got is called a frying pepper. The description says, these sweet and flavorful Italian frying peppers make such a warming, comforting dish from southern Italy. Tall bush plants make tons of green fruits that ripen to bright red. Okay, sounds good. Hopefully they grow well in a container. We will see how all of these turn out in a container since I don't have like any land at the moment. Okay, the next one I have is Peruvian chili. So in the description it says, native to the Andes, this has been called the most important ingredient in traditional Peruvian cuisine. It is hot, sweet, and fruity. When dried, it is called ají mirasol. These sound really good. The next I have is Syrian smooth cucumber. So this description says, smooth, green, waxy, and mild. Perfect for salads when harvested at about 3 inches long. Collected in Homs, Syria in 1949. Very cool. I love cucumber. I don't know how that's gonna grow in containers because I've seen huge cucumber plants, but we will see how it turns out. Next one I have is Campfire Rudbeckia. I think this is a flower, yeah. This fiery and bright black-eyed Susan has wide and full yellow-orange blooms with a nice mix of chestnut coloration. Certified organic. These just look really pretty on the website, so obviously I had to buy it. Next is the Mexican sunflower. Deep red-orange hues of sunset-colored blooms draw in a world of butterflies, hummingbirds, bumblebees, and admiring people too. Really excited to grow these. They also look very beautiful on the website. I love flowers. I only really grew marigolds and sunflowers last year, but this year I'm branching out. Okay, next is the orange banana plum tomato. Apricot orange colored paste tomato. These 3-inch plum shaped fruits are sweet and meaty when fresh, dried, juiced, made into sauce, salsa, or paste. Very prolific. These sound delicious. I'm very excited. They kind of look like San Marzano tomatoes to me on the website. So not like super big, but I'm excited to grow tomatoes this year because last year my tomatoes were super small, and I feel like since I'm more intentional with my time this year and planning of my garden, I'm gonna have great results. If not, I will at least learn even more. Okay, last but not least, I have the San Marzano tomatoes. These are your classic sauce tomatoes grown in the volcanic soil of the Salerno province near Naples, Italy. Their sauce tastes amazingly rich, sweet, and perfectly acidic with great texture. Really, really excited for these as well. So I'm growing 2 different types of tomato varieties, 2 different types of flowers, 2 types of peppers, cucumber, and arugula. And I might get some chamomile, and I'm gonna have some herbs. So like probably lemon balm, mint, and basil. I'm gonna try to find somewhere else to get those, but those are more standard. These are like really fun seeds, and I wanted to share these. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like to see how I grow these in my container garden. I live in Brooklyn, New York, and I'm growing a garden on my fire escape. If you'd like to see my fire escape garden from last year, I will link that video somewhere here or in the description box below. But please support me by subscribing. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.